Namaskar standard students. From today we are going to start our division class from chapter 1. We will start our division class from very simple question like fill in the blanks. Okay. Fill in the blanks. This is our heading. Number 1. Our first chapter is recall chapter, and this chapter is starting with some uses of computer. Then it is entering with paint, some features of paint and WordPad. Then it is showing the importance of computer in publishing house. Okay, now starting with chapter 1. Question number 1. Computer can be used in banks for dash transactions. SACTIONS. Transactions. Number 2. Number 2 is computer can be used. Computer can be used to dash things through online shopping. SHOPPING. Online shopping. Okay, now question number 3. Question number 3 is dash is a basic word processor. Dash is a basic word processor. Number 4 is dash is a computer program which can be used to create edit, view and print our text documents. Okay, number 5. Number 5 is a WordPad window has dash main parts. A WordPad window has dash main parts. Number 6. Number 6 is dash phone is an example of mini computer. Dash is an example of mini computer. Okay, number 7, the last one. Number 7 is we can we can dash with other persons through computer. Okay, now see, fill in the blanks is our heading. Number 1, computer can be used in bank for dash transaction. Okay, bank is a place where we take money or some store money or save money. So it is a transaction, give and take. So bank, we use bank or computer can be used in bank for money transaction. For money transaction. Number 2, computer can be used to dash things through online shopping. So whenever we go to shop, either we buy something or we sell something. So computer can be used to dash things through online shopping. But when we go for online shopping, that means we are buying something. So we can say computer can be used to buy things through online shopping. BUY buy, or we can also say that to purchase things through online shopping. Same meaning, different word. Okay. Number 3, dash is a basic word processor. It is WordPad. WordPad is a basic word processor. Number 4, dash is a computer program which can be used to create, edit, view and print our text documents. Okay, the answer is WordPad. WordPad. We can also say MS Word. MS Word is a computer program that is also used to create, edit, view and print our text documents. Okay. Number 5, a WordPad window has dash main parts. A WordPad window has 4 main parts. You can write 4 like this, or you can also write like with the spelling F-O-U-R, 4 main parts. The 4 main parts are toolbar, format bar, ruler and document area. These are the 4 main parts. Okay, now question number 6. Dash phone is an example of mini computer. Dash phone, we can say that can be telephone or mobile phone. But mini computer, that means computer has 4 main parts: mouse, monitor, keyboard and CPU. With telephone, this has no facility of visualization. Telephone cannot display anything, but mobile phone can show something, so many things. So the answer is mobile phone. M-O-B-I-L-E. Mobile phone is an example of mini computer. Number 7, the last one. We can dash with other persons through computer. We can contact or communicate. We can communicate. C-O-M-M-U-N-I-C-A-T-E. We can communicate. We can communicate with other persons through computer. Okay, I am repeating again. Question number 1. Computer can be used in banks for dash transaction. Answer is money transaction. Number 2. Computer can be used to dash things through online shopping. Answer is purchase. Number 3. Dash is a basic word processor. Answer is WordPad. Number 4. Dash is a computer program which can be used to create, edit, view and print our text documents. Answer is WordPad. Number 5, a WordPad window has dash main parts, 4 main parts: format bar, ruler, document area, and toolbar. Okay. Number 6, dash phone is an example of mini computer. Answer is mobile phone. Number 7, we can dash with other persons through computer. That is communicate through online, like email, video chatting, etc. Okay, this is your CW plus HW. This is all for standard students for today's class. Namaskar.